we are not aware of it,
Yeah,
then it's very difficult to teach them,
right.
teach those people.
Absolutely correct.
Hmm.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, so I have some questions. I don't know you have or not, but I just prepared some
Yeah,
question. If
definitely.
you have, you can ask me
You can rapid
down the
fire.
line.
You
Okay.
can rapid fire on me. So definitely, I will give the answer to you because I'm ready.
Okay. Okay. So, why is listening an important skill?
Okay. Listening is important for everyone like who are learning any kind of language because when we listen something, so we understand also why we are listening. Two ways of the listening. First is the conscious, second is the unconscious. So it's depend on you. If you are listening a conscious way, then you understand better because first we have to understand we are talking about the this language, English language, right? So people want to listen this language. If they are listening, so they are getting the words also. What is the meaning of the word? Like you are from their mother tongue. They are, everyone have a different mother tongue. So if they are listening any other language, so we have to get the words. What is the meaning of the word? So that is why listening is also helpful. Then you are getting the words, whatever the words you don't know, so you have to easily recognize what word is the meaning of that and how to use that word in your communication. So that is why listening is must. Second thing, your ear will be trained by this language, whatever the language you are learning. So first we have to listen this language, so our ear will be trained and how other people are speaking and how they are using the sentences, basic sentences and long sentences. So whatever we listen now, so we are also it's automatically comes on your tongue by the listening because I have seen we are learning our mother tongue. How we learn the mother tongue? We learn the mother tongue by the listening only. We are not doing any writing that time. We are not reading anything else. We just listen our parents and we are imitate to them. So that way we are learning this language and then we can easily understand what they want to say because whatever we listen, so they are just giving some observation also there. Like we can observe how they are using this language, so that way we can easily understand and it comes automatically on your tongue while speaking. So that is why listening is must for everyone like who are learning this language and not about this language, any other language if they are learning, so they have to listen a lot. By listening because I learned this language by the 3 months for listening a lot and by the speaking, only two aspect I followed.
Okay, that's amazing. You are right. I agree with you. And if I answer this question, I think it's very important. Listening is not about only learning. If we learn, but we are not learn only language. We learn so many things, new different ideas,
Yes.
others people, right? New
Right.
perspective about different things, and we learn vocabulary. Absolutely, and we learn so many things from the person. If we are like, I think listening as important as speaking. And when we listen, the other person should be like slow. I think the other person should speak slow in like maintained pace. I think the
Right.
person should not make the speed very make the people shouldn't make the speed very fast, so that it will become very difficult to other person to observe, to understand. I think this is so important. If you listen anybody, if you are not getting it, you can take pause, you can ask people to just repeat, because this is, if you don't ask this kind of thing, then there is a misunderstanding. You can't communicate further, you can't speak correctly. I think you can't ask any questions, you
Yes.
can't understand that person if you don't request to repeat the person. So I think if you don't understand, you should request, you should definitely request to people to repeat, because like you can't there will be no meaningful conversation. Okay, and it will be very boring, I think, if you
Right.
are only just listening
Listening.
and not able to understand the other person. I think
Right.
so. I think listening is very important, and we should try to understand others perspective. If we understand, and there should be mutual understanding, because there are there are different kinds of people. Because if I am saying something about anything, there will be a question, okay, and I have different perspective, you have different
Right.
perspective. It doesn't mean that I should go against that, I should fight with this. I should We should have mutual understanding, we should
Yes.
understand each other's perspective. It's about respecting others perspective as well. So we should listen carefully so that we can make meaningful conversation, not boring, and
Right.
we should respect others perspective, I think.
Absolutely correct, ma'am. Because when because listening is also must because it's make a communication, ma'am. How what is the meaning of the communication? Communication, it means like both way communication. It's not meaning like you have to only listen. You are not reverting back. That is also not the communication. Communication, it means like both
Hmm.
way, like both way communication is there. Like we have to understand, and I will make the understand to others also. That is called the communication.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah, and earlier it would happen with me. Like when I just started, so I would listen a lot. Listen. I was
Okay.
not, sometimes there was some people, sometimes I was not able to understand them, and I didn't have that courage to ask, like, repeat, please, I am not
Okay.
getting you. How can I understand you? So
Yeah.
I was this much timid girl, I think, earlier time, but now I think I have this courage to ask again, I have this courage to and I'm a serious. Whenever I'm in the conversation, I just try to listen very carefully, because I think it will be very boring if I'm not getting you and I'm
Right.
not able to understand you. Then I can make a good conversation, I think.
Yes. Because we have to be understand to each other whatever you want to say, so I give the answer to you if I understand. If I'm not understanding, how can I give the answer to you? If I'm asking the question to you, like you are not understanding, so how will you give the answer to me? That is why we have to understand that when we are doing the communication, we are doing the conversational video, so that time we have to know to each other what like if you are putting the question, so I have to give the answer, but we have to understand properly, so what you want to say, and
Exactly.
we have to listen properly. Listening is also the
Mm.
must skill for learning this language.
One more thing I want to add here, like I was the kind of person earlier. I think this is the nature for a nature of human being. I think I had this habit, and it was very bad habit. Like whenever I would feel very scared, and when I am connecting with the people, like I think that he or she is very advanced than me and speaks very well. So I felt very hesitation. I would feel hesitation that time, and I would start to speak so fast,
Okay.
and other person is not able to understand me. And there's a person who also said directly to me, like, just make your speech very slow. I'm not able to understand you. Even it was just my introduction, I would speak so fast.
Okay.
I would give my introduction so fast. But now I think that I just make my pace. I don't speak so fast, because I understand. Because when I come across the same situation, the same people who are speaking
Yes.
so fast, I'm not able to understand. Then I realize, oh my God, this is very big mistake I
Yes.
was doing. Yeah.
Yeah. So I think
So
everyone,
I
I'm
would
also.
suggest to people who are beginner and who feel so shy, who feel very scared while conversing. So I would just suggest to those people, like, don't make your speech so fast while
Yes.
speaking, while having conversation with anyone. If you speak fast, then you will not make any sense while speaking. You will not be able to convey your message properly.
Right.
So I think this is my suggestions to everyone. If you want to become very good communicator and listener, just follow this step and just start to speak slow. Not too much slow. It should be gold click, something like that. I just remember, I don't know this is right word or not, but it should be in balance.
You have to take some pauses like that.
Yes, pauses and balance.
Yes.
Very important, I think.
So, ma'am, actually, but when anyone is a learner this language, so they think like whatever they want to say, so they are just going fast. I'm also doing the same thing. And initially, when I'm learning this language, That time I also, because we are fumbling a lot. We think like what we have to say, like when we are going for the any
Hmm.
group conversation. So in the group
Yeah,
conversation,
exactly.
that thing is happen like we have a hurry. We think like whatever we want to say, we have to speak on a pace, like in a fast way.
Hmm.
But we don't think
Yeah,
like people are understanding or not. But we are
yeah,
not framing the sentences also while we are
yeah.
doing the group conversation. That time we are not framing the right sentences. So first
Hmm.
who are the learner of this language, so I would suggest to them, they have to think how to create a basic sentences, and they have to find it out the keywords. When you are getting the
Hmm.
keywords, then you have to frame your sentences. That way you have to elaborate more about your topic. So that is also the good way to do a group conversation, because I also doing the same thing initially when I was learning this time. So that time when I go for the group conversation, so I just go for the any conversation, I just in a hurry pace, like I'm just go for hurry, like I'm saying something, but nobody is understanding. That time people are saying to me like, ma'am, you are
Hmm.
not taking any pauses, you have to take some pauses. That time it's
Hmm.
I'm not recognizing, like, but after
Hmm.
moreover the time I was thinking like, yeah, I'm also not taking the pauses. I have to find it out some keywords when you are going any interview. Like I'm also teaching nowadays, so like who are taking the classes from me, so like they are also going for the interview purpose, preparing for the interview purpose. So I said to them, whatever in your mind, you have to find it out some keywords, then you have to speak about, and you have to frame the small sentences in it initially. Then you have to express your thought about the topic. That is the good way to explaining and elaborate your things, elaborate about thoughts, any topic. That is the good way to speak about any topic.
Exactly. You are right. We should focus on small sentences.
Yes.
That's right. And one more thing I want to say, I would also do this thing I mentioned, right?
Yeah.
But I want to say one more thing. It's kind of when you are in a hurry, okay, you are speaking so fast, you forget lots of things, whatever you want to say. Like you are not able to speak everything. Like you are speaking, okay, with me, and I have a question I ask you, and I have some points to add as well. But when it's come to my answer, I give the answer, but I am giving the answer very fast, okay, and I'm scared as well. So somewhere or the other, I'll forget some points. I'll forget. Definitely I'll forget because I am scared. Simultaneously, I'm so fast. Okay, I'm speaking so fast. So it happens. I think I also experience this thing. That's why I avoid to speak so fast. Because when you speak fast, you just do two and three blunders. Like you don't make sense, okay, and you forget the points,
Yeah.
and like nobody can understand you can like
Right.
better, I think. So that's why I think like you should have balance. You should not speak too much fast, not too much slow.
Yes.
Yes, that's something.
Okay.
Okay, so do you have any questions? You can ask me
Yes,
if you
ma'am.
have any
Actually, I didn't
questions.
prepare any question. Actually, you just random the message like you are comfortable to. So that is why I'm here. But I don't have a question. Okay, like but I was thinking of the questions also. So like, what is your academic? I think you are already teaching in profession.
Qualification.
Yes.
Uh, like I am a teacher. I have 2 years experience, and it's like I am preparing for B.Ed exam. Recently, I applied B.Ed entrance exam form, and the exam is around the corner after this month. It's in April, I think. It's in April, on April, and after that, I am planning to become a teacher, online or offline teacher. I'm already offline or online teacher,
Okay.
and my aim to become English teacher in my
Okay.
life. This is my aim.
So why you chose the English language?
I chose English language. I love this language and I'm very passionate. And in very beginning time, I would speak to myself. I had this much passions. Like I didn't I just like sometimes you don't know like why do you like, but you feel so good. You
Yes.
feel happy, right? In something. There is no strong reason, but it gives you inner happiness, I think. So this is something I can say. And it's kind of like, uh, I didn't have any dream in my life in my childhood time,
Okay.
but as I grow and I just got to know about this language, and from my teachers, like I just took online tuition, offline tuition from my teacher, and he's a grammar teacher. I listened to him in English. He would speak in English language. So that's how I inspired by him, and I got the interest. Then I felt so happy. Like I would feel so happy while speaking in this language, while communicating. So that's how I think I got the interest, and I'm very passionate to learn, to upskill.
Okay. Because you are getting the confidence also by this language. If you know this language, it means you have a good confidence. I have seen when I learned this language, so when I was going anywhere, so that time I think like I have a good confidence, like I can speak with anyone else in English. So that makes us a confidence also.
You are right. Right. I agree with you. I don't have this much confidence earlier. Whenever I would talk to my friends, even my friends, I would feel so hesitation. I was not able to speak openly with my friends. Okay, now I can communicate with them, and my friends also say that you are very communicative when they watch my videos on YouTube. So they say
Okay.
like you are a good communicator, because I am challenging myself to converse with everyone from different place, right? Different people. So I am communicating. It's women, men, anyone. I am talking with them. So that's how I think I'm challenging and boosting my confidence. As well as I think like it just literally make change your personality, I think.
Right.
The way you speak, the way you present yourself, so it just completely change yourself, I think.
So in your surrounding, anyone is speaking in English, or like by yourself you are learning, like by
So no
the.
one, there is only my teachers, and there's my uncle's school. So it's English medium school. Whenever I go to that school, so I try to speak in English language only. There is no teacher who speak. There is no specific teacher, but I speak in this language because I like to make the environment, and
Okay.
students also feel very happy after seeing the person, after seeing me like speaking in English. They feel so happy. So I just
Okay.
try to speak in school, and whenever I just come across my teachers who are like English teacher, grammar teacher, so I communicate in English. I get very, like I don't get much opportunities, but once in a blue moon I get this kind of opportunity.
Okay. So you got any opportunity on the stage?
On the stage, yes, I got the opportunity. It's like 26th January I got this opportunity.
Okay.
I spoke on the stage, and I like my uncles invited in the school, so I went to school. Then I got the opportunity to speak. I didn't prepare any script, anything, but I just spoke by myself, whatever my thoughts on that day. I just tried to speak.
So you speak about like a specific day, or you are speaking about the like your how to be a confidence, any other thing else?
I gave this speech. It was written speech, so I just read that speech, and after that, I just did something like I asked people to come on the stage only in English. I just did some activities in English.
Okay.
There was no specific things to speak. Yeah,
Okay. So how you like very first time you went there on the stage, or like you have got a chance, you
it
had got a
was
chance before?
it was third and fourth time, I think. And earlier I was very shy, and I also you don't know, but I don't know like you know or not, like I got uh, um I got very I had the speech, okay, earlier, and I got this opportunity, and I was in school. Just because of the English, I fumbled and I couldn't give this speech. I forgot my speech that
Okay.
time. That's
So
that something happened. But after this incident, I just changed myself. It's not going to happen. I'm going to learn this language very, very seriously, and
yeah.
I'm going to become the person who can speak on any topic, on anything in English, even without preparation, I think.
Okay, without preparation you have to give the speech. So how you feel like without preparation, like if you are getting any topic example. So if you,
I think,
yeah,
hmm,
yeah, go ahead.
I think if you have little bit knowledge about everything, for example, if we come across any topics, any questions, we should have basic knowledge about everything. If you know, so you can speak at least 6, 7 minutes about that topic,
Yeah,
right?
6, 7 minutes. It's easy for me, for anyone. I think like who are the speaker, so they can
Hmm.
easily explain any, elaborate any topic with 6 to 7 minutes. When we are talking about to 15 to
So,
20 minutes, that time they have to prepare their speech, right?
hmm. Yes,
Because
I
without,
think you should be this much prepared for any topics. I think if you are a communicator, if you want to become a good speaker, so you should be this much prepared for any topics,
yeah,
because you are known for a speaker, good speaker in this
right.
language. So you must know basic. You must have basic knowledge, I think.
Yes, yes, yes. I completely agree with you.
Hmm.
Because when I was in group, not about the group, when I was taking like any sessions or like any conversation, I just invited to the people for my YouTube channel. That time I have to be prepared for that. But I have to put up the question because we don't know like they are also ready for the question or they have some questions or not. If they don't have the questions, so how we do the hold the conversation? So why that like we have to prepare for that, and we have to put up the question, and we can also share our thoughts also about that. If we don't have any words, so how will you express the thought? So that is why like when we have any conversation, like I'm having the conversation, so now you prepared like you have prepared one or two questions like that. So yesterday I'm also having a one session, so that time I'm not prepared, but like instantly I just take it out some question. So when we have a session, so I just put up the question, then they are saying something, then I can express my thought also. When we have a new thought, we are talking about any specific topic, so we have to read it out about that if you have a good knowledge or ample knowledge about enormous knowledge about that, then you can express more in a good way also. That is why.
Hmm. Exactly. That's right.
Yeah, so
Yeah, it's important to do preparation as well, but you have little bit preparation.
yeah.
Otherwise,
Leave it
70,
confused.
80%, like, yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Okay, so we should wind this up. I think it's
Yes, yes,
been very
yes,
long time,
yes,
and
ma'am.
it's
Thank you.
going to end itself. I think in few
Automatically.
40 minutes. I think. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you so
Yes,
much for having me,
right.
ma'am. Thanks for
Yes,
giving this wonderful
it's
opportunity
my
for me.
pleasure.
Yeah, thank you.
You're welcome. It's my pleasure.
Okay.
Okay, bye.
Okay,
Take
bye.
care.
Bye.
Recording